Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. It's another thrift haul. Haven't done one lately, and now that all the fall type winter clothes are in the thrift stores, decided to go ahead and see what I could find. I spent about $25, and I actually had some inspiration photos, so I'll be showing those. Found this sheet, just a bottom sheet, so yeah, there'll be another sheet video coming. But I kind of liked the colors, kind of cottage core-y fall. And then button-down shirts. Quite a bit of them in my thrift stores. And I tried to get a wide variety. Spent about $2 to $3 on each shirt. Got some stripes, some plaids, some are flannel, some are just cotton or cotton poly. So I'll have the inspiration photos in a minute. So I'll probably make one for me, and then the rest of them I'll make and put on my Etsy shop in November or even October, so somebody else can buy some too, because heaven knows I don't need any more clothing, but the creative juices just keep flowing. So I tried to get them in a variety of styles and colors and sizes, but yeah, there's a lot of them in the thrift stores now. Again, I try to only buy them when they're half off. So, $2, $3 a piece. Some of them, like this one here on top, already kind of had that cool bleach stain on it and had the original tag that's even never been worn. But this is kind of what I'm thinking about to do with them, using some scrap fabrics, scrap laces, and appliques, is kind of doing a shabby chic type upcycle look on those. So, and I'm sure there'll be a video. Found this hot pink and white striped shirt for half off, and then this lace one. This one I'll probably do a video on, make, and then put on my Etsy site. But been looking for some hot pink because I found this inspiration photo and really liked the way it looked, so it'll be fun kind of putting those together. But this is the photo that was the inspiration, kind of that two-tone pink shirt from Free People, so that'll be fun to do. And then I found this one for just under $3, size large, so it's definitely too big on me. But you'll see the inspiration photo in a minute. The fabric is so similar, so that's why I bought it. And then I'm probably going to have to take it apart to kind of remake it into more the type shirt that I want. This is kind of a rayon, but I love this shirt, kind of that leopardy print, but then the bright appliques on the sleeves. So I think I already have the appliques I want to use, but this one's going to be a fun one to kind of take apart and remake. Then I just found this. This was just fun. It was half of the $3.93, and I love the embroidery on it. So I don't know if I'm going to cut this up and turn it into something else, or just keep it as is and wear it. It's a size small, so it might be a bit snug on me, but beautiful applique, and it was in really good condition. So that was kind of my splurge. And then I found this sweater. They already had a lot of their sweaters and stuff at half price, so this was under $3. Surprisingly soft for like the metallic kind of furriness of it, and it's meant to be worn big, but it is a really big sweater. So I have a few ideas. I don't have any inspiration photos for this one, but have a few ideas in the back of my head as far as what to use. So if you haven't done a thrift haul, gone to your local thrift store yet, hey, do it, check it out, like, subscribe, and I will have some new videos coming.